Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to close your Indeed account. So I am in my Indeed account page, and here on the right side you can see your email address. Tap there, and now you can see account. Tap there. Now in this account setting page on red you can see close my account. Tap there. Now you have to choose a reason why you want to close this Indeed account. Just choose any of them and click on close my account. This action is not reverse, so before deleting your account you should download your resume and all data from Indeed. So that's all guys. Likewise you can close your Indeed account. Thanks for watching the video.